Here's a quick step-by-step guide showing you how to change your Amazon default payment method. Start by opening Amazon in your browser and sign in to your account. Using the desktop version makes it easier to see all payment options. Hover over Account and Lists at the top of the page and click Your Payments. This opens your Amazon wallet, where all your saved credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts are listed. In the Wallet section, look for the card or bank account you want to set as your default. Click on it, then select Set as Default Payment Method. Amazon will now use this card for all future orders, unless you change it manually during checkout. If the card you want isn't listed, click Add a Payment Method. Enter your card number, expiration date, and billing address. Once added, select it again and choose Set as Default. Some services, like Prime, Kindle Unlimited, Audible, or Subscribe and Save, require updating payments separately. In the same Payments page, click Manage Subscription Payments, choose the subscription, and set your new default card. Refresh the page and double-check that your new default method is marked with a check mark. And that's it. Your Amazon default payment method is now updated.